Welcome back to the course of digital electronics. Today we will see conversion or expansion into canonical form, that means minterms and maxterms. Okay, if you observe this question, expand a bar plus b bar to minterms and maxterm. We know that here a bar plus b bar is given. In a bar, b is the missing term and b bar a is the missing term. Therefore, what should we have to do? We have to multiply with b plus b bar and a plus a bar. Then if you observe that a bar into b plus a bar into b bar plus a into b bar plus a bar into b bar. Now I have taken the common terms outside. Which are the common terms? A bar, b bar are the common terms. If you take these two as a common term, then a bar into b plus a bar b bar plus a b bar. Now a bar can be written as 0, b can be written as 1, a bar can be written as 0, b bar can be written as 0, a can be written as 1, b bar can be written as 0. Now it will become m1, it is m0, it is m2. Therefore I can able to write that m0 plus m1 plus m2. Then I am going to write in the form of summation. I have taken m outside, 0, 1, 2. These are the sum of minterms or sum of products. Now we know that the missing terms in SOP are called POS, that means maxterms. What is the missing term in this? 3 is the missing term. Therefore capital letter M3 is the missing term. That means A bar plus B bar is the product of some term. That means max term. Is it clear? M3, therefore A bar plus B bar. Now if you see one more example, observe this question. Expand A plus BC bar plus ABD bar plus ABCD to minterm max term. Okay, now if you observe in the given question, in A, if you observe the given question, we are having 4 variables. If you observe here, B, C, D are the missing terms. B, C, D are the missing terms. Sorry for the inconvenience. B, C, D are the missing terms. Therefore, I have added B plus B bar, C plus C bar, D plus D bar. But here in the second term, A and D are missing terms. Therefore, I have added A plus A bar, D plus D bar. But in the third term, C is the missing term. Therefore, I have added C plus C bar. And in the final term, all terms are present. That means all literals are present. Therefore, need not to add anything. Now you have to multiply these two. First of all, multiply this one, then this one and this one. Is it clear? Then after that, multiply this term with this. Is it clear? Then multiply this term with this. Then once again, if you observe that these are the term we have, then multiply this term with D plus D bar and the remaining terms as it is. After multiplying this entire term with D plus D bar, you are having these expressions. Now take the common terms. If you observe that I have taken these two as a common term and these two as a common term, these two as a common term and these two as a common term. After taking the common terms, if you write the binary equivalent for the terms, okay, then it will be summation m of 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the sum of products. Then we know that the missing term in the SOP are product of sums. Then pi m of 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay, in this manner you have to convert the given Boolean expression into minterms and maxterms. Now take one more example. Expand. First of all, they are saying to maxterms. After that, minterms. Maxterms means product of sums. Now if you observe that there is a, then here it is a plus b bar b. Here what is the missing term? B is the missing term. Here a is the missing term. Since it is product of sums, we have to add here b plus b bar, and the entire term is multiplied with this term, and here we have to add plus a into a bar. Since b into b bar means what? 0. A into a bar is also 0. Therefore, there is no change in the expression. Now, if you observe this law, a plus bc is equal to a plus b into a plus c. Then this law, distributive law, is going to be used to convert the given Boolean expression into product of sums, that means maxterms. Now if you observe that a plus bc, a plus b into a plus c, then this term contains two variables. Here also a plus bc, a plus b into a plus c. Then once again there are two common terms here, therefore I have taken only one time. Why? Because a into a is equal to a. Since so many members are going to do mistake in this, okay, observe very carefully. Since it is a product of sums, product of maxterms, the normal variable can be written as 0 in binary. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, the normal variable is taken as 0 and the complement is taken as 1. Therefore, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then it becomes what? M0. It becomes what? M1. It becomes M2. Therefore, M0, M1, M2. Since it is a product of sums, therefore I have to use the notation pi, capital letter M of 0, 1, 2. These are the product of sums. Now we know that the missing terms in product of sums are called as SOP. What is the missing term? Small letter M3. That is a missing term. That is AB. Why? Because 1, 1. Is it clear? Now see this question. Expand A into A bar plus B, A bar plus B plus C bar to maxterms and minterms. If you observe, it contains three variables in the question. Therefore, this A is going to be a single variable. Therefore, we have to add plus B into B bar plus C into C bar for this one. And for this one, we have to add plus C into C bar. For this one, no need to add. Now, if you observe that, first of all, I will do this. I am going to take this A plus B into A plus B bar plus this term as it is. Now here let us consider this entire term as A plus BC, A plus B into A plus C, then this term as it is. Now if you observe further this term, let us assume yourself, okay, consider this one as A plus B into C, then A plus B, see A plus, you can write B into A plus C. Okay, the remaining terms are as it is. Now further, if you observe this as A, then A plus BC, okay, A plus BC can be written as A plus B into A plus C. Similarly, A plus BC can be written as A plus B into A plus C. Now write down the binary equivalent. Since it is product of sum, you have to remember that normal is given as complement. Complement is given as 1. Normal value is given as 0. A, B, C. Complement is given as 1. Now if you observe this binary equivalent, write down in terms of capital letter M notation, then it becomes M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. If you take M as a common term, it becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the product of sums. The missing terms in SOP is nothing but, the missing terms in PO is nothing but sum of products. What are the missing terms? Since it is 3 variable, 6, 7 are the missing terms. Is it clear? In this method, you have to convert any Boolean expression into sum of minterms or product of maxterms. These are the canonical form. Is it clear? Thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day.